Hello there. So this is chapter 3 of the Odoo Server Framework 101, and here they introduce the concept of ORM, so Object Relational Mapping, and this is a programming technique that allows you to work with a database using the code in your programming language. So this could be Python in the case of Odoo. And so typically working with databases, you have to write raw SQL, but due to the ORM in Odoo, you don't have to necessarily do that. So using Python, that's how we're able to make changes to the database to create, write, and all that. We will see that. So probably let me just take you through that using the terminal. So this is a case of me accessing one of the tables in the database, so in the Postgres database. So I'm using a version 19.2, and basically if I want to access contacts in my contacts table, that is res underscore partner, so I will have to do something like this. From res underscore partner, so let's say where active is equals to true, for example. Okay, so that I only see then unarchived. Okay, so by doing that, I'm able to access the 3 contacts that are in my database, and to confirm that, here they are. So this is the database that I'm accessing using the terminal. Yeah, so this is when you write raw SQL, but then through the ORM I do not have to do this. I can just come here and define my partners, for example. Okay, so I'll come here and say partners. I've already done it before, but I'll just repeat it. Partners is equals to env, so this is the environment, probably a concept we'll cover later. And then partner, okay, and then I search for everything. Okay, I want to have access to, at this point I won't filter. Okay, so I'll do that. So this will give me access to all the active partners, and then I can now loop to get the names of these partners. Okay, so I can come and say for partner in partners, so for partner in partners, and then give me the name. Okay, so partner.name, and then by doing that I'll be able to see the 3 contacts as well that are in the DB and that I also accessed through the raw SQL. Okay, so this is one of the ways through which you can understand the ORM. So they also talk about it provides extensibility. So this is through inheritance. Extensibility is where, for example, I can add more fields to the default res underscore partner table. Okay, so of course in SQL you'll probably have to do that through raw SQL, but then Odoo underscore inherit will help you achieve that. And then security services. Okay, so in Odoo the access rights and the record rules, they are defined in the ORM. Okay, so the database is not able to understand those record rules and the access rights. So using the ORM helps you to factor in the access rights and record rules. Yeah, so that's a brief explanation of the Odoo ORM and basically how it works. Thanks.